Hey guys, so behind me you can see the city of Buzet in Croatia, Istria, and today I'm going to go to see the 7 waterfalls fall in the canyon of River Mirna. So let's go. So this is the town of Buzet in Croatia, about 10 kilometers from Slovenian border, in Istria, the peninsula of Istria. And today's path is this one, Put Mirne staza 7 slapova. So the way of Mirna River, the path of 7 waterfalls. And there's also like free climbing there at the canyon of the River Mirna. So yeah, just around there on the left the path should start. I don't know how long it is. It's my first time here. We are just under the town of Buzet, up that hill. Here is like a parking space which is for free. So it's like a factory area where there's a lot of factory workers. So yeah, let's see where this path will take us. Yeah. So here we have a nicer view of Buzet town in Istria, Croatia. Pretty on the hill with a nice church. So there's the River Mirna, and I think I have to go left to go to this waterfalls path somewhere around there, I guess, from that hill. Oh my god, so much walking. Yeah, we'll see how much I can make it. I'm not certain I can do the whole trail, but yeah, let's see. So I made it to Mirna River. Under the town of Buzet. And the Mirna River, so we should follow the river up to that hill and to see the waterfalls. So yeah, I think all this way up there, somewhere there, should be the waterfalls. Hopefully, I hope it's not after that one. Some funny bird sounds here, but yeah, let's take this path and see where it leads us. And again, just to show you the beautiful view of the town of Buzet, Croatia. And another nice view of Buzet town. And you have pathway like this next to Mirna River. So a nice scenery along this valley. A nice walking path that anybody can do. If I can do it, you can do it too. Mr. Hachiko. And there we have the free waterfalls. No, I'm just kidding. So this path takes like 4 hours if you want to get to the end. I don't think I'll do it today, but yeah. 1 hour I think I'll do, and then we'll see what we see. The town of Buzet. And here are the small waterfalls of Mirna River. It's not really the 7 waterfalls. For that we have to go there. And the whole path, if you decide to take a walk, is about 15 kilometers. But it's about 1 hour of such walking on such path, just straightforward, until it starts to ascent up to the mountains where the waterfalls are. So I think I will make this path until the ascent to the mountain starts, and then we'll see. Probably go back because it's pretty late in the afternoon, so if I walked 15 kilometers all the way, it would take quite some time, but yeah, I can do what I can do. What can I do? And here we go, the second waterfall on the river Mirna in Croatia, near the town of Buzet in Istria peninsula. Still a way to go to the real waterfalls. This one was just a fake one. It's actually artificially made. But yeah, let's continue on in the valley of river Mirna. Mirna actually means quiet. So, the quiet river. The quiet river. Except from this waterfall, it really is a quiet river. It flows like really slowly up there, the town of Buzet. So yeah, still not tired. Yeah, let's go on. And as I continue walking, you can see there are like many of these small artificial waterfalls in the river. So it's a pretty nice sight. But the real ones are hiding behind that tree in the mountains around Buzet town. So let me just show you the valley here. So this big mountain just behind it, or let's say half of it, it's already Slovenia. Now we are on Croatia side in the peninsula of Istria, the town of Buzet, and yeah, river Mirna that flows to Adriatic Sea. And it's also like a border river between Slovenia and Croatia. So yeah, further down the river sets the border between two countries. So yeah, let's go on. Now if you're a runner, this is also a running path with signs where you can do different exercises. So if you like running, this is the path for you. Another nice view of the village town of Buzet. And guess what? Even more artificial waterfalls. So we have 3 more. So if you take this as a waterfall, yeah, it's way more than 7. We are at about 12 or something like that. So yeah, that tells you the real waterfalls are somewhere there. But I don't know if we will see them today, because yeah, as I said, 15 kilometers walk up that hill there. And yeah, it's getting pretty late. It's about 3 o'clock in the evening, in the afternoon. So yeah, but still, it's a nice walking path. If you want to walk your dog or something, it's great walking path, I would say. Or you can even come with a bike here. But yeah, I don't know if you can make it with a bike all the way uphill. When you come to the hill, the path goes up. So yeah, you can leave your bikes there and then just walk up the hill to the waterfalls. So there should be like 7 waterfalls up there in that mountain, just there. And I cannot emphasize the beautiful view of Mirna Valley River with the town of Buzet on a hill. It's like from a fairy tale or something, you know. And around you have like a small villages. Yeah. Let us soldier on. Yeah, another artificial waterfall. Why am I showing you this? Because we will not see the real ones up there. It's still too far away. But yeah, this will have to do. So yeah, those 2 or 3 peaks that you see there is where the fun actually begins. But until I make it there, it will already be dark. So, well, it will not be dark, but until I make it back and go back to Slovenia, it would be dark. So, here is a nice pathway to the river. So if you have a water scooter, this is where you put it in. I'm just kidding, it's forbidden here. But yeah, if you have a dog, you take him here and he can drink this pure, calm river with a nice view of Buzet town. What they say. Of course, another waterfall. And this was the running path exercise thingy I was telling you about. So if you want to jump onto the bar with arms straight, this is where you do it. But if you're a lazy Joe like me, guess what? I spotted a bench. There it is. There it is. What will lazy Joe do? Oh. Sit down on it and wait a few moments so my back can recover, you know. Yeah, I'm a big sportsman. What can I say? After 5 hours. So yeah, after 5 minutes, yeah, really, I'm still here on the bench, listening to the sound of waterfall, mini artificial waterfall. Still, it sounds like a real one. So enjoying the views, taking in the fresh air around me, imagining I'm doing the push-ups here on these devices. If you do it in your mind, it's almost the same as physical, you know. So yeah. Enjoying the peace and quiet of this canyon. Mirna River Canyon. What else can you ask for? An electric bike to bike here without any effort. No, that's a thought. Okay. I'll continue walking. As I promised you, the waterfalls. No, I'll continue walking, but I just wanted to show you this beautiful river with the greeneries just pouring out of it. I don't know how to say it, but what matters the most is you can see the clouds in the river. So it's really a clean river. So it's a beautiful sight, I must say. See the clouds, and then you have the clouds in the river. Yeah, so even if you're a photographer or something, Instagrammer, I think this would make beautiful pictures. So yeah. It's a nice Sunday trip. It's not Sunday, it's Saturday actually, but still. And yeah, you have some trees here in full bloom because it's spring now, end of April. So, and just over there was my red bench, and if we go right about there, there's like a hunting cabin where the hunters are, where they hunt for wolves and bears and even deer, maybe rabbits, I don't know. They all live here, so yeah. But the wolves really live here, you know, because they do attack sheep and stuff like that. So yeah, they like to shoot them because the farmers, they don't like the wolves. What can I say? And there we go. I think this is wheat, still green, but nice green field of wheat. And there. I do like it. I do like it. So next time, maybe 7 o'clock in the morning, leave my home to come here and to do the whole path, which is 15 kilometers. But not today. And here we have another fitness park. Important, you use equipment only on your own risk. So yeah. Hello, Hachiko. Hachiko. So, free fitness for you guys if you come here. I will just walk by and ignore them. That looks like a bench. Oh my god. That's another bench. But yeah, I think we are close to the end when the path actually begins to ascend and where the way to Waterfalls starts. So yeah, guys. And just by this fitness park here, we have a beautiful view of the town of Buzet. So yeah, I'm continuing my way towards the 7 waterfalls, which I will not see today, but still. I want to make it at least to that tree line and to see what is behind that corner, and then I think we'll turn back. But yeah, it was a nice Saturday walk for today, and I hope I showed you something beautiful, guys. Let me know in the comments what you think. I'm sorry I couldn't show you all the waterfalls here, but it's getting kind of late, you know, so if I don't want to be walking back in the dark, yeah, I'll have to turn back soon. But there, as you can see, the river is filled with rocks, so it is a mountainous area, you know. There on the right is the fitness machines, and on the left is the village, the town of Buzet. And here, another fitness machines. Guess what? A chica drinking his water from the river. He's also quite an old dog, but he's he's way more faster than me. So yeah, guys. What can I say? My throat is beginning to bother me. So if you like this video, press a like. It helps the algorithm to suggest this video to more people. I would appreciate if you subscribe and if you share this video. It cannot hurt the algorithm, you know. So yeah, I'll go to that rocks, and let's see how the river looks up the stream. Yeah. So here it says Penjalište, climbing site, Buzetski Canyon. So Buzet Canyon, and you can see where it is there. You can read what it says. Rules of conduct. And a small waterfall. I guess you could take a swim here in the summer. And there are the rocks. And a nice view. So yeah. Some people even come here by cars, so they don't want to do the walk that I just did. So I guess you can come here by car too, and then just go into this real canyon track, which begins here. As you can see, this stony road, it ends here, and a small walking path begins through the canyon of River Mirna. Let's go. So just as this little path begins here, there is a spring of natural water that comes from the mountain and goes into the river down there. And yeah, this was the big path with the picnic place. But yeah, now we're back on the small path. I said I would only go to this small path, but yeah, let me see what's around that corner. Oh, there's a sign there. I wonder what it says. It says something. I think it says climbing the grounds. Oh, nice view. Nice view. What do you say, guys? Is it a nice view? It is. Ah, and here's a small path that leads to this rocky river terrain. My God, my tongue is getting twisted. So it says Staza Slapova, the path of 7 waterfalls. That's a 7 there, yeah. I can see it. Oof. So about half hour of walking to get just to the path. Yeah, but it's nice, no? I think it is. I wonder if there's a bridge so I can go there on another side without being killed. Falling down. Oh yeah. Quite nice path actually for walking, especially in the summer. I think it would be nice to walk here. See, told you. And here I guess the two rivers are coming together. One is coming from this direction and the other one is there. Yeah. And I don't know why I'm carrying my stabilizer in my hand and not filming with it. Because before it didn't want to connect to the phone. I don't know, something's wrong with it. Who knows what. So there we go. Nice river, nice path. So this is another river. I don't know if this is River Mirna or this is another river here, because there is another river there behind that bush. So who knows. Whew. So I actually made it to the first waterfall here. Let's see. It's a bit of a decline, but you can get all the way down to the river. It's actually an artificial one, but still. I think it's good to take a swim in the summer. I think the river should cool you down very nicely. Now, should we continue on? We'll see, we'll see. So, let's continue on this path. If I brought the gimbal, I should at least use it. So, let's observe how the picture is different now from before. And yeah, there is a nice view of the waterfall from above. See, you can fall down here if you're not careful. Oh, there we go. It looks like there was a bridge there. And from this perspective, the waterfall behind this stone. Oh yeah. Oopsie doopsie. Let's go to the bridge. I wanna see the bridge. I wanna cross to another side. Actually, I could make it all the way down there. That's 15 kilometers one way. I could do that, but going back 15 kilometers, that's a whole other story. Yeah, this used to be a bridge. Let me show you what is now. So, I guess there were some heavy rains that knocked out the bridge, unfortunately. So, no other side for me. But there's another picnic table here. And if you really want to cross to the other side, I guess you can do it on that piece of wood. But look, I found another waterfall there. Just there. So yeah, let us check that waterfall from close distance. Oh, here's another wannabe bridge that you can cross if you're brave enough not to fall on either side. Well, it's not that deep river or strong current, so nothing really bad could happen unless you hit your head. And there's another little bridge here. And yeah, as you can see, the path kind of ends here because I guess that storm knocked out the wooden paths, but you know, we're on the Balkans, so the people always find a way around. Yeah, we don't mind the signs. We say beep you, and we continue moving past this, you know. Welcome to the Balkans. Wow, it's a nice little. Ah, now I get it. Wow, okay. Now I get why all the bridges were there, because there's no more bridge and there's no more path here. You see, no more path. And if you look on the other side, there's the path. So the path continues on and goes on. So those bridges that we see behind, that we saw behind, those were actually leading you to the right path, which ascends to the mountains and goes to the waterfalls, you know. So yeah, if you're not brave enough to cross that log there, this is the end of the path. And I guess I'm not brave enough. No, I just don't have time now. And yeah, it's about half an hour, 1 hour walk back. So I'll do that. Now I understand this bucket and the anti-tank thing is they didn't stop me. But yeah, you know, Big Joe can get past these anti-tanks thing is. So yeah, let's go back and let's enjoy the nature. As I said, let's enjoy the nature. Do 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 do. All green, all green. All lights are green. No, it's still a nice path to take, but I guess they really had one crazy storm here that took all the bridges away. So until they renovate it, either you do the bridge walk there without a bridge, only on the log, or you use this log here and go in the middle and then, I don't know, jump there, or use the other log there. It's possible, of course. I'm not saying it's not possible, but it's not plausible. I mean, I wouldn't do it. Look, would you do it? Would you? Tell me the truth in the comments. Would you do it or you wouldn't? And if you do it, come here and prove it and record yourself passing this bridge. Because it's really not that, it's not fixed, you know. This was like the original bridge design, so they just hold so you don't fall, so the bridge wouldn't fall down. So nah, I would not do it. I will not do it. So our path ends here, but I can record a little bit more of the river from where we came from and the Buzet town. It has some nice sceneries. However, the nature, the wild nature here and the wild path, well, you see there, you just jump there, go there and jump over there. You can do it. It's not a problem to get on the other side. You don't have to use this bridge, you know. But yeah, I will continue to go back now. So I hope you enjoyed today's walk with me in the nature, in the peninsula of Istria in Croatia, near Buzet town, which is about 1 hour away from my hometown, Ljubljana in Slovenia. So I would say it's a day trip that you can take here, even if you're from Slovenia. So yeah, we are back at the first waterfall. First waterfall here, where you can fall down. There you go. The first waterfall. Well, this actually looks like waterfall, not the ones I showed you before, where the river is steady and calm. That's why it's called Mirna, the calm river. But I enjoy this view, I really do. So yeah, maybe now it's time to go back. The sun has hidden behind the clouds, and yeah. Yeah guys, I'll continue back and we'll see. And the path ends here. I mean, the white path starts here. In the distance, there's the Buzet town. I guess about 2 kilometers away. So if you're walking slow, that means about 1 hour. Not including the climb onto the hill where the town is located actually. But yeah, and behind that Buzet town there is Slovenia, the karst region of Slovenia. So yeah, here we have the rocky path of the river Mirna. Actually it was 2 rivers that came there, but yeah, it goes into one river here, and this is the view. So yeah, would I come here again? Of course. Why? Because of this view. No, it really is a nice view, don't you think, guys? So yeah, I'll wrap up today's video here. Hope you enjoyed it. And yeah, time to go back home. So take care, guys, and see you in my next one. Now the summer is coming, and I hope we'll go somewhere. So yeah. Take care. Ending this video here with a duck. So yeah, if you're lucky, you can even spot some ducks on Mirna River. And I'm almost back to the parking lot. 200 meters more. And yeah, say bye bye, ducky. Bye bye, ducky. Bye bye. Okay, now really the last shot of a Buzet town, Istria, Croatia.